Dude, say Christian.
My name is Chris Weber, and this is my bike check. Got the ODI long necks, the ODI bar ends, the fly bars, 8.25 height, 27 width, animal headset, fit stem, Eastern shovel head forks, just regular down, Tioga tire with the regular Eastern white stock rim, the Eastern growler frame with regular Eastern two-piece pivotal seat. Colony seat post is what I'm using now. The Eastern Medusa white sprocket 3D with Eastern stealth cranks. Just commonly known Eastern black pedals. The Pro Cassette 9-tooth hub with the KCM chain. With We the People gripping tire as the back, as there's a cum splooge there. And just regular white back hollow rim. So, my name is Chris Weber, and that is my bike check.